So in this video, I want to go through some more examples of having a single term inside the bracket, and then you're doing it to the power of, and in this case, I'm going to go with a fractional index. So, first one, we have 4xy squared, all to the power of 1/2. So, first of all, we need to do 4 to the power of 1/2. So this is understanding from our indices. We understand that 1/2 as a power means square root. So this is the square root of 4, which of course is 2. So the square root of 4 is 2. So we have 2 at the start. Then we have x to the 1 to the power of 1/2. So 1 times 1/2 is 1/2. So x to the 1/2. Then y squared to the 1/2, well 2 times 1/2 is 1, so this is y to the 1. So this simplifies to 2x to the 1/2 y. Number 2, we have 8x cubed y to the 9, all to the power of 1/3. So first of all, we need to understand what 8 to the 1/3 is. So 8 to the 1/3. So if we have 1/3 as the power, that is the cube root of 8, which is 2. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So 8 to the power of 1/3 is 2. Then we have x to the 3 to the power of 1/3. So 3 times 1/3 is 1. So we just have x to the 1. Then y to the 9 to the power of 1/3. 9 times 1/3 is 3. Or 9 divided by 3 if you like. So that's y cubed. So number 3, we have 25 x to the minus 3 y to the 5, all to the power of 1/2. So 25 to the power of 1/2 is the square root of 25, which is 5. So we have 5. Then x to the minus 3 to the power of 1/2. Minus 3 times 1/2 is minus 3/2. So x to the minus 3/2. So minus 3 times 1/2. Then we have y to the power of 5 to the 1/2. So 5 times 1/2 is 5/2. So y to the 5/2. And the last one, we have 1000 x to the 8 y to the minus 12, all to the power of minus 1/3. So first of all, what is 1000 to the power of minus 1/3? Now remember, that minus sign means 1 over. And so we have 1 over 1000 to the power of 1/3. Now the third means the cube root. So the cube root of 1000 is 10. 10 times 10 times 10 is 1000. So actually we have 1 over 10. Then x to the 8 to the power of minus 1/3. 8 times minus 1/3 is minus 8/3. Then we have y to the minus 12 to the power of minus 1/3. Minus 12 times minus 1/3 will be plus, or positive, 12/3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So actually we'll have y to the 4.